What's up, guys? Derek Johnson here. Super excited that you found this page and you're about to learn some really cool stuff that will hopefully help you in your marketing. Chirply is a powerful system. I'm going to show you some of those features on this video, so be sure to stay tuned. You can always reach out for help if you need to. There's a support button somewhere on this page. Click that and get in touch if you have any questions. But we have a 7-day trial right now. You can jump in and test this out anytime you want to. We also have an SMS marketing automation course, which that's currently free, so you get access to that as well. So with that being said, let's jump right in. First thing I'm going to show you is how this autoresponder works. So you can see on my screen here that I put up this flyer. And what I'm going to do on my phone is actually scan that QR code of an actual flyer and show you how that works in real time. So there's my computer. You can see it's pulling up that message. All I have to do is open that message and hit send. And that's going to start up the autoresponder. So we can wait a second here, and Chirply is going to respond to this message. You can see I got notified that the message came in, and here's the automated response. You can see we have some opt-in, opt-out language already built in. So if I were to reply stop, it's going to message them that they've been unsubscribed and give them the ability to resubscribe anytime they want to. So you can use this in a couple of ways. It's a great lead generation tool, or if you have people who need follow-up or some kind of material and you just want to reply and automate that process, that's another good way to use this. It's also good for managing your list. So if people want to unsubscribe after you've sent a message out, that autoresponder removes them from the system completely. Gives them the ability to opt back in if they did it by mistake and stuff like that. So in the SMS marketing automation course, I give you access to this exact flyer where you can go in and edit this for your needs. I give you a couple different versions, and I plan to add more as well in the future. So if you're in real estate or the restaurant industry, you can go in, change these flyers pretty easily with your information. If you get to the end of the course, I give you a test to see if you set this up correctly. And once you pass that test, I also unlock some additional software for you. So the next thing we'll cover is the IVR system. So you can have these set up as inbound or outbound. I'll show you my inbound IVR first. So I'm just going to call my Chirply number, and we'll put it on speaker here.
Hey, you've reached Derek from Try Johnson. Press 1 for a 7-day free trial of Chirply. I'll disconnect you and send you a link right away. If you want to talk to me, if you have any questions, go ahead and press 2. Otherwise, press 3, and I'll send you a link to my calendar, and we can schedule a one-on-one demo.
So I gave people 3 options. I'm going to push 3.
I look forward to our one-on-one demo. I'm going to send you a link. Go ahead and choose a time that works best for you, and I'll see you on the Zoom call at the scheduled time.
So you can see what happened there is they pressed 3, requested a demo. I immediately sent them a Zoom link, and I was notified that that Zoom link was requested. So that's this option here. This is the actual IVR, how you set it up in the system. You record your initial message, and then you connect various options to these numeric keys. So when I had them press 3, this is the message that came through, and this is the one that was sent to the requester. So these can be customized with information you already have inside the system. So if you're uploading leads that have name, email, address, all of that can be used. These merge fields will populate that information for what you already have. So it's super powerful. This is going to save you a ton of time and get qualified prospects on the phone with you. And you can make these multi-layered. So you can have someone ask for a department, then the next level lists off various departments, then the next level lists off specialized things within that department, whatever you might want to do. So let's try it again, and this time we'll do option 1.
Hey, you've reached Derek from Tri Johnson. Press 1 for a 7-day free trial of Chirply. I'll disconnect you and send you a link right away. Awesome. Sending that link over right now. You should receive it within a few seconds. Once you sign up, you'll go through the onboarding process and get $10 in free Twilio credits to use with your account. After you get signed up, you'll notice there's training videos right inside of your Chirply dashboard. So just find the graduation cap, go through those training videos. As always, reach out if you have any questions. Thanks again for choosing Tri Johnson. Look forward to working with you.
So let's open up those messages here. You can see there's my VIP club message. There's my calendar schedule. And then there's the Chirply trial requested. So if I open up the calendar link, it's going to take me to Calendly. And those will just give people an option to schedule a time on my calendar that works for them. So I could select a date here and pick a time and just confirm that date, enter my info. Then I'd be notified that I have a calendar appointment. Down here, it actually takes them to the Chirply funnel where you are currently, and they can actually go sign up for that free trial. So pretty powerful. All that's automated. I don't have to do anything. Now, if they were to select 2, that's going to connect them instantly to me on the phone.
Hey, you've reached Derek from Tri Johnson. Press 1 for a 7-day free trial of Chirply. I'll disconnect you and send you a link right away. If you want to talk to me, if you have any questions, go ahead and press 2. Otherwise...
So now my phone is ringing. I have a sales bridge message coming in right now. As soon as I pick up, I'll hear a call whisper.
Incoming call about Chirply from Derek Johnson.
Now I'm connected on the phone. So that sales bridge will read custom fields. So it read my first name and last name, and it read whatever message I wanted it to read before I entered the phone. So I know what the call is about. So you can see here I have incoming call about Chirply from first name, last name. Any info I have from leads will be read right here. And you can customize this however you'd want. So if you're in the wholesaling business, for instance, looking for motivated sellers, you could put the address field here and it would read what property they're calling about as well as their first name. If you text the word free course to 319-727-8500, it's going to respond with a link to the free course. You can go in and sign up. That's this course right here. And I cover a lot of this stuff. It's helpful to go through this and give you a better idea of what you can do in the system. So that's something you guys can do as well. In this tab here are all your templates. So if you want to use templates with these merge fields to automatically populate when you're planning to send a message, you can do that. You can record audio here, have email templates, ringless voicemails, and your sales bridge messages. So you can record templates for all of these. Here's where you'll create separate lists to manage your contacts. Here's where all your contacts are. Here's where you'll set up your phone once you want to configure it for either your IVR or your autoresponder, call forwarding. You can select different numbers to forward the call to. Here's where you'll set up the IVRs. Here you can add a sub-user. So if you wanted to add like a virtual assistant to help you, they'll get their own login and password, and you can assign them leads. They'll only have access to the leads you assign them. And currently, you can only have one phone number assigned per virtual assistant. We're looking into some of more friendly management options, but currently that's what we have. The widgets, you can install these on your website, and it'll be like a click to call or click to text. Someone can fill out the widget with their phone number, and that's where you can connect instantly or automatically reply via text message. So that's pretty cool. There's your autoresponders. Here's where you can set up your campaigns. So let's dive into those. You can drip these out over time. Here's my demo campaign. You can see all your steps you've created right here. So I've got the first step right here is the text message that goes out immediately. The second one is an IVR. So I've already been through this campaign and I limited it to one. So this IVR didn't go out, but I do have a secret IVR. If you text demo to 319-250-6868, you'll get this IVR. It's pretty cool. I think you'll like it. A little surprise for you. Here in settings, you can limit the dates and times those messages will be available to go out. This is a dispositions tab. So this is for use with the power dialer. After each call, you can select a disposition, and those will fire various automations. So this one, for instance, for people who didn't answer the phone, it adds them to a campaign. Inside that campaign, I send out a text message, and it also drops a ringless voicemail. So you can kind of think ahead of time what you would want different things to do, and that's what these dispositions are for. You can move them between lists, unsubscribe them if they weren't interested, like this one's a do not call. So it just deletes them completely from the system. Now inside of the list, you can send out campaigns. You can text, email, drop a ringless voicemail, send an outbound IVR, all those things you might want to do. All you have to do is select your leads there. If you want to select the entire list, you would just expand it down here. And in here, you can assign your sub-user account to those leads. So under this call button are all my abilities to reach out to the lead. I can email right here, send a text message, drop a ringless voicemail. This will pull up the power dialer, so it's going to call all these people back to back. I'll show you what that looks like quick before we go on to the IVR selection. So as soon as I hit start dialing, it's connected to the IVR, or the power dialer. Derek from Try Johnson. Press 1 for a 7-day free trial of Chirply. I'll disconnect you and send you a link right away. If you want to talk to me, if you have any questions, go ahead and press 2. Okay. So that's my IVR. That's why it played. And here's the dispositions I can select after the call. So I'll just go to interested. You could leave a note here and then hit save and continue. This next one is my personal cell number. So now I'm connected on my cell. You can see here I got a call coming in. I'm going to accept this one. Hello? So you can hear the echo there since we're kind of connected on both sides of the phone. Just some more things. I'm going to mute this one quick so it's not echoing. Inside of this little lead summary, you can see all your previous communication on this tab. Any notes you've left or want to leave, you can access right here. In here, you can see what lists that current lead is in. You can also move them or delete them from those lists. Or if you want to add them to a new list, you can select those from right there. Right here, you can add the lead to a campaign or see what campaign they were currently already in and delete them from those. If you have any messages you wanted to schedule, you can do that here individually from this tab. So I could do a follow-up text message. I could select my template here and then schedule it. So let's just do one quick. And we'll do this for tomorrow. And I'm going to hit send. So now you can see that message is scheduled right here on the calendar. I could also do calls. So if I wanted to do an IVR or a ringless voicemail, I could select those here. This would be the audios that we pre-recorded inside of templates. So whatever you want to do, you can do that. The sales bridge, that's going to ring your phone and then connect you that way. So it's kind of however you want to use this tool. You can schedule those as well right here and create follow-up. So I'll select this one here. Now you can see I got a message and then a sales bridge scheduled right after it. And we'll do an email as well. And we'll hit the day following and hit send. So all that stuff is scheduled now. And once I exit out of this. So the rest of these numbers are all fake. What I'm going to do is just cancel this one. And we'll hit save and pause. So anytime you want, you can pause. And then you can resume the calls later. But what I'm going to do is just hang up the call since none of the rest of those are real anyway. I just created these as a demo. But now that we have those scheduled, let's go back into the list and show you how you can see what's currently pending. So right here on this tab, you can see everything set to go out. All I have to do is hit that trash can, and those will be no longer scheduled. So I guess that's if you schedule it that way. So what we want to do is actually do it here, and we'll do both of these. So we're going to do a message, and we'll do this demo. And we'll schedule it for later. So if I wanted to send it immediately, I would just select now. But we're going to schedule this for later. And we'll hit send. So now, for these two contacts that I selected, this message will be scheduled. And now you can see up here, this is what I was referring to. You can see those messages here once you open this. So the status means it is pending, and this is the message that's going to go out. If I wanted to delete just one person, I could click this, and that will remove them. So it's still scheduled for the other person. Or if I wanted to delete this message for everyone, I could come right here and delete that, and the whole scheduled list is going to be deleted. So now there's no more messages scheduled. And like I said, if you wanted to, you could have expanded to your entire list and done the same thing. So as long as they're selected here, you can send a message, email, cold call them from the browser dialer, or you can send an outbound IVR. So let's do that one next. So here's my phone. I'm going to select an IVR, and we'll do this one. So this is the one I was talking to you guys about earlier that you might want to do. And I'll just play this quick. So as soon as I hit call, this IVR is going to go out.
Hey, what's up? It's Derek from Try Johnson, giving you a call back about Chirply. I know you're interested in automating some of your inbound and outbound marketing. If you want to learn more, you can go ahead and press 1 and we'll be connected. I can answer any questions that you might have. Otherwise, for today only, I am running a special. If you want to press 2.
I'm not going to tell you what the special is. You got to text demo to 319-250-6868 if you want to find out.
Chirply demo call from outgoing IVR.
So there we are, connected on the call now. And you could set that up to be connected to anyone. It could be your phone or a sales agent, virtual assistant, whatever you might want to do. So hopefully this gives you an idea of what you can do. I didn't cover all the features, but I do want you to dive in, check the system out. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, you can connect here to me anytime. All you have to do next is just fill out this form. Basically, you'll pick your plan, and there's an additional option if you so choose to accept that one. I do have other software as well, so those are just as valuable if you want to take that upgrade on the page after this. If not, just select no thanks, and then you'll go to your confirmation page where I'll give you instructions on your next step to go ahead and getting this set up in your business. So hopefully you've seen how valuable this can be to automate your inbound and outbound marketing. I'm going to send you the SMS marketing automation course once you sign up for Chirply, or you can sign up for that separately as well if you text free course to 319-250-6868. So appreciate you guys, and hopefully we'll work together soon.